Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel, Inspired by R&R. I'm Richard. This is my beautiful wife, Ronya. We're actually in the Bahamas right now, in Nassau actually, and I'm gonna do a little bit different video for you guys this morning. So tell them about it, baby.
Well, guys, if you did or did not know, I am partly Bahamian. My father is Bahamian, my mother is American. So we're going to be staying here at my Aunt Beverly and my Uncle Beetlejuice's house. And they're going to teach us how to cook like a true Bahamian today.
I'm looking forward to this. I'm going to eat this whole trip. Y'all come with us, see what they have for us. Let's go.
Let's go, guys. Honey Bev, what are you making?
I'm making some minced crawfish, some peas and rice, and some coleslaw. The only thing I don't have here is plantain. But that is a favorite of the Bahamians and the tourists. The tourists come to the Bahamas, they want to taste the native stuff.
They say he know how to cook Bahamian now.
So they could get something before they go to town. They go to crawfish, peas and rice. Good morning.
No, Cynthia, send this. Send me.
Oh. So you already have your salt in and... Okay, well you put the sugar in now. Okay, now you can mix that together. Now let me finish. Right. Get down.
Is it good? Oh yeah, Aunt Bev approved.
Yes, that's all of my ingredients over there. Yeah. I have to use. That rinse my pot back out. Oil, onion, green peppers, yellow peppers, tomato paste, some celery, and then I let it fry down a little bit, not too much. And I put the peas in.
Nice.
With water, salt, a little piece of garlic, and then you put the rice in.
Okay.
And you put it on slow cook. That means slow, the temperature should be no more than medium or low medium.
Okay.
And then you let the rice cook. And you call it peas and rice.
Peas and rice.
When I put the water in, then I put some thyme in it, or you could put the thyme in now. It doesn't matter because the thyme is going to bring up the flavor more.
Okay.
Okay, so I put in my peas in. Now I'll go with the water.
Okay. So good.
Now I'm putting the water in. I put 3 parts water to 4 cups of rice.
Okay.
Or 5.
Okay.
But you put a little bit more rice than water.
Nice.
Browning in to give it a little bit more darker color instead of coming up red.
Okay.
Come up brown.
Oh. Let's see it work.
Yes. And then it looks like you have crab and rice instead, but this is peas. You see?
Magic.
You see? Yeah. And what? Yeah. Ketchup, tomato paste. See how good my pork is? That's to sweeten it up. We don't like to make it too salty, so put a little bit more to taste. Down with this asking today. That should have been finished.
Now what is that?
This is thyme.
Okay. And how many twigs do you put in?
Well, you know, you can do your average. For your taste, I use about a couple of strands. It's better when you put it in like that and you turn the meat over it. See, then the scent come up better.
Okay.